is everything you need is right here. You know why? Because I've been with this for 7 years. And I'm going to break it down. I'm going to break down the bonuses, my brand new funnel that's just coming out now. I'm going to go over the bonuses. I'm going to show you what your options are, and we'll go from there. So what I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to share my screen. All right. Live. This is your number one business solution, right? Number one business solution. As you can see, it's generated me in the 2.0 version, $15,975, which you can make 25 to $2,000 instant commissions to you. You may ask, Scott, what's the products? I'm not going to skate around. It's not a money game. You actually get a product here. You get websites, you get capture pages. We hook up your autoresponders. It's all done for you. So if you want a capture page that looks like mine, I'm going to get into that. And all the bonuses you're going to get for joining me in the BigBiz.com, YourBigBiz.com. That's what this is called, YourBigBiz.com. That's why I call it YourBigBiz.com, because I already did this. I know what has to get done. Now it's time for me to show you. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go over to my next screen right over here, and I'm going to share this tab, and I'm going to show you what you're going to get. So as you can see, this is going live, guys and gals. This is going live in my E1U Life back office very, very soon. And if you're on my team, you're going to get this. So basically what this is, watch this video below closely as I walk you through how to make money from anywhere. Yes, I've been doing this for 7 years. I broke down every single thing I do in here into 10 minutes. And you're going to want to click here to claim your bonuses. But first, I'm going to stop my share here. And I want to see if anyone popped on my live stream. And we'll go from there. So that's what you're going to get. So if you like that, smash the subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like if you like that. There's nothing not to like about it. So now, what are the products, you may ask, Scott? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you over to my my home here, and I'm going to go here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to present my screen one more time. And what I'm going to do is now I'm going to show you what your options are, what your products are. So there we go. Boom, bam, boom. There we go. So right here, you can see where we're at. Where you have anywhere from $30 all the way up to $2,500. So what's Elevation Basic? It's $30. You get an opt-in page, kind of like this one right here. This opt-in page, similar. This is the one I want to show. Like this one, you get a custom opt-in page, something like this. This is what you can actually use starting very soon. They're actually loading it in my E1U Life back office for my team members. You can have this and my VSL, which is my my video sales letter here, like this right here. You can have this. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you how you're going to get that and what your bonuses are. So I'm going to share this tab instead here. So Elevation Basic, we're going to hook up your capture page to an autoresponder. I have resources. I know what autoresponders I use. So if you're confused about what autoresponders use, just connect with me. I'll give you my autoresponder I've been using for 2 years now. Because when I rebranded my business 2 years ago, I started using a different autoresponder. Now I finally finished rebuilding my business and getting to the 2023 way, and I'm ready to help you exceed. So the Elevation Elite's $110. You're getting a social media pack. Just look at my wall. Look at the social media packs. Look at my memes. You can make them yours. You can take your face out. I use Canva. Free value right there. So Vertex email templates, huge. You're getting this as a bonus. I'm going to show you my email templates I'm giving you. Yes, since 2018, I've been writing my own emails. Vertex Elite custom logo. Just so you know, that's $550. That's 500 instant pay commissions to you, and you get everything below here. Vertex Pro. You want a multi-page funnel? You want a multi-page funnel? This is pretty cool, right? Let's see if anybody here stopped in. Not yet, not yet. So let me show you now what you're going to get for packages 1 through 5, and package 6 gets you an extra bonus. So there's 6 bonus total, right? I'm sorry, 7 total, 7 bonuses for 7 years. Me being with this company, that's how I came out up with 7 bonuses, because I've been with this online business for 7 years. Okay, so if you like that, smash the subscribe, hit the bell. Get the link below after this video is done, after I explain the bonuses here, so you can start winning today, not tomorrow, not next week, today, because if you take action now, that equals the automation. If you don't take action, you're never going to make money. So I'm just blunt with people. I like to be that way because I want to set your expectations that you have to put a little bit of work in. If you have 30 minutes to an hour a day, I have a complete done for you system with a Facebook group and a total. You can use all my bonuses and my VSL now. That's pretty cool, right? Yes, cool. So let me share my screen one more time here. And let's go over these great bonuses that you are going to get from me when you go to yourbigbiz.com to get started today. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take you over to the boom. This is the landing page that's going in. You're going to have this. Your leads are going to see. Watch video below closely as I walk you through. So you're using me. So you don't have to do any of the ad copy. You don't have to do any of the videos. All you have to do is follow my simple instructions, go through the 30-day blueprint in the back office, and click here to get started. But before you click here to get started and go to yourbigbiz.com, I want to show you your bonuses. So here we go. Bonus number one. I just said it. You get this funnel. Yes, that's correct. And that funnel, which is a $997 value. Yes, you heard that right. $997 value. Yours free for using my page. And I'm sorry, I just accidentally hit something on my mouse. Let's see what we're sharing here. Sorry about that. What I'm going to do, I am not presenting. So sorry about that. I have to get back to that site right real quick. Let me go into my back office here. We got you. That's what's the simplicity about this is great. If you screw up, you just change it. You can be wrong here. You don't have to be perfect. That's why this is for complete newbies. So just so you know, you can see my workplace. You can get all this edited, approved, custom funnel. So we're going to go back to my custom funnel. They just built me. Yes, they did. They built this for you too. So let's go here and enough about me. Let's show you the rest of your bonuses. I'm going to come here. We're going to landing page or custom landing page. Internet slow. Sorry about that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to share my screen. Sorry about that. We had a little blip, little blip. But like I said, no one's perfect. You don't have to be perfect to do this business. All you have to do is be consistent. Remember that. Be consistent. So let me share my screen here now. Back to the VSL. You can have this. We went through. That's bonus number one. Bonus number two. If you decide to join the Vertex Live, which gives you all the products. Look here. Let me share this instead. This gives you Elevation Basic, gives you a landing page, opt-in page, social media packs, email template, custom logo, multi-page funnel, and a complete done-for-you website. $2,500. You have a complete business in the box that you can now start sharing with other people using me. That sounds good. Smash that subscribe and hit that bell, because if that sounds good to me and I'm the one presenting it. So let me go back. So we have 4 more bonuses to go, because I said 7. So 5 more bonuses to go. So geez, 4 more bonuses to go. Sorry, you don't have to be perfect to do this. That's why I've been here for 7 years. I like to keep it stupid simple, and I like to explain how things operate and what you're getting. Because I see the value in the product. I want you to see the value in the product, because when you see the value in the product, we all win together. And that's what it's about, winning together. So Vertex Live, you're getting all 7 bonuses plus the bonus number 2. And I like bonus number 2. The reason why I have bonus number 2 here is because you need traffic, paid ads. That's what this is. I'm going to start your business. You're going to have this funnel, and I'm going to start your business. Boom, right there. So make sure when you decide, pick the package that you like, note that I'm going to start your business. You go on Vertex Live, because then we're going to build your entire business. Yes, we'll build your business for you. Bonus number 3. This is a great course, just redone, $597 value, step-by-step course to accelerate your income. Yes, especially if you get Vertex Live, you could be doing this course and have leads coming into your E1U Life business. Not too sure as to what leads and how you manage that. Let me show you. I'm going to share this screen now. Boom, back here to your dashboard. We have live. Remember, we have live twice a week. That link is in the description below as well. If you want to come to the business presentation, invite. And how do you invite? You have leads, because when I use bonus number 2 to send traffic, your referrals and your leads go here. You have a built-in autoresponder. You can communicate with your leads. You have your links. Everything's in one spot. All you have to worry about here, if you're starting out for the newest person, leads, links, my referrals, and autoresponder. That is all you need. And obviously my funnel, that will be in the link section right here very, very soon. So I'm going to stop my share again. I'm going to recoup, and we're going to go back now. We're going to go back to where it's all about you. What other bonuses? We went through the first 3 bonuses. Now we're on to bonus number 4. Okay, bonus number 4. What is bonus number 4? Let me go to present, share screen. Bonus number 4 is, boom. Bonus number 4, access to my high converting email swipes. That's a $497 value, yours free. All right, so you may ask, Scott, what's your high converting email and all that? So let me do this. I'm going to show you this Google Doc because I run my business on Google Docs. So every time you join me or something, I'm going to send you the Google Doc when you email bonus to scott@scottfunnels.com. All right. Or if one of your team members is looking at this, they're going to email you. You're going to communicate to me in the Facebook group. That's how we all win together here. That's how we all win. So here, I'm going to go share this screen, this instead. Okay. You're going to get Scott Darvis E1U Life follow-up series, okay, which has all my bonuses already listed for you, okay? 70 series, all right? All of them, this is all done. All you got to do is do your link. That's it. Just your link in here. Make this yours. Let me know. If you ever need help with anything, I am here. Get in my Facebook group as well. So let me stop this share, and we're going to go back to the bonuses. And again, this is all about you. We're going to give you more bonuses now. So I'm going to present, and I'm going to share my screen again. And what we're going to do, we're going back. Yes, we have tons of bonuses for you. Tons and tons and tons of bonuses for you. All right, bonus number 4. We just went through that, and I showed you my email content that you're getting. Bonus number 5, access to my proven ad copy. Yes, so let me get a touch on proven ad copy. Proven ad copy, the subject lines for any Craigslist ad or classified ad. Yes, everyone thinks it's just Craigslist. It's not. I have the list of different places for you to post ads to get people to your E1U Life business to come through this funnel so you can give away the same bonuses as me. How cool is that? And guess what? I don't even have to send you this because when you create your account at yourbigbiz.com, B-I-Z, yourbigbiz.com, you're going to get access to this funnel. Okay, bonus number 6. This is what I'm doing today. I'm getting the link ready. So when this launches, you can send me your link. Guess what? You're going in my YouTube rotator so I can help you. So I can help you grow while you're learning. Remember, this is all about learning and earning. And now bonus number 7, this is the mother of all bonuses. I'm building a membership site. This is not done. I'm using the Facebook group right now. But as soon as that's done and I get that organized and see what you all want, because it's all about you. You want your own affiliate link. You want your own private back office. Let me ask you, do you want a place for your leads to go to see you to put your trainings or my trainings? Remember, I'm doing all the work for you. So your next step here is to claim your bonuses. I'm giving you everything you need, including a complete business in a box, okay? Including a complete business in a box. You like that? So I'm going to stop my share here, and I'm going to go over the next steps you're going to need to take. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to want to go to yourbigbiz.com. Click on that. It's going to take you to your E1U Life back office. Okay. When you get into your E1U Life back office, you're going to have to make the decision. Okay. And I'm going to do my share screen again, and I'm going to go over your decision that you're going to have to make. It's a very, very simple decision. So what you want to do is you want to go into your home here. You're going to be here, but this is the decision you're going to have to make. So right here, you want to know if you want to start at $30, $110, $275, $550, $1,100, or $2,500. That's completely up to you. Remember, Vertex Live gives you all those 7 bonuses, including the traffic, a website, multi-page funnel, customized to you. You tell them how you want it. Vertex Elite custom logo, email templates, including my email templates, social media packs so you can share on your social media like I share on mine. Landing and opt-in page. Yes, this is needed for every business. They'll connect the email autoresponder, and guess what? You they'll connect it for you with my follow-up series let's go back here. This is what I love about this. In your E1U Life back office, where you have your links, my leads, and your built-in autoresponder. This is the one-stop shop for all your business needs. So that's it, folks. I just wanted to pop on here, do this live. I'll see you on my next YouTube video. I'll see you on my next YouTube live. I'll see you in my Facebook group. And don't forget, stay consistent. And remember, action equals automation. No action equals nothing. I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now.